Okay, so this is a video of the air suspension system on the 2012 Tacoma. This is the suspension at its lowest setting. You see it's pretty low at this point. The airbags have got zero pressure in. We're going to have a look at the controls. Here are the controlling buttons. This one is the compressor, which operates independently, and this is the airbags up and down. If we move over to the right hand side here, just in here you can see the compressor. At this point it's got 0 psi in the airbags. In order to control the bags, we have some solenoid valves. These are the solenoid valves. These are 12 volt. There's two to operate, one each of the airbags, and then there's a common exhaust. The air is supplied by a compressor, which you can see at the back. It's tucked inside the back seat here, hidden away. It's a 12 volt via compressor, and it has a hot air outlet to allow tyre inflation. Okay, so we have a word with our operator. Finley, you'd be so kind to press the up button. You can see the Via compressor putting air into the bags. Both solenoid valves are open, so the back of the truck is going up. Okay, thank you. You can also see down here are the traction bars. These prevent the leaf springs which are positioned in the axle. It stops the axle from warping. If we go in, you can see the fabricated mounts here. These are bolted onto the top of the chassis rails, and you can see the bags themselves. This one's so these are Dominator airbags. Okay, at this point it'll go a little bit higher, but that's pretty high compared to the front. I've had about, not sure how much weight in the back, but I've had quite a lot of mulch in the back. Highest pressure I got in the bags was 15 psi, and the bags are good for about 60, 70 or 80 psi, so plenty of low carrying capacity. Okay, Finley, if you press the down button, you see this is venting the air out of the airbags, and the truck is settling back down onto its normal ride height. Typically I run the bags with just about 10 psi in them, and that puts the back end pretty much level with the front.